Welcome back, everybody. Everyday Guy here. So today I figured I would do a quick everyday carry update, EDC. Just what I've been carrying lately. Sort of stripped it down a bit, I guess, but show what I got anyways. First things first, I got this Carhartt wallet. I love this thing. Used and abused it. It's held up great so far. Paracord bracelet. Keys to my truck. Blue Jays lanyard. The watch I've been carrying the most has been my Samsung Gear. Still rocking that. Still carry the swell bottle with me pretty much everywhere I go, whether it's in my hand or in my pack. It's never too far away. Baseball cap on my head, as always. Just carrying a cheap roller grip big pen. An El Cheapy, picked this up for like $3 at my local hardware store. It's 25 lumen Rayovac flashlight, which apparently doesn't work. Oh, there it goes. Nice and bright for, like I said, it was like $3.99. I'm not gonna argue with that. Multi-tool. It's always my trusty, reliable Leatherman Wave. Absolutely love this thing. Carry it every day. And pocket knife. Currently is the Gonzo 729. That's what I grabbed this morning anyways. And I mean, that's pretty much it. I wear glasses, so I got my glasses on my face, and I normally have a pair of shades not too far away, but yeah, I've sort of dwindled down what I carry every day. At least for now. It changes quite frequently. But please let me know what you guys are carrying. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm always curious to see what else people are carrying around their pockets and what you find use for in your everyday life. Anyways, I'm the Everyday Guy. I'll see you on the next one, and I'm out.